are Doering. Welcome to All Paws Medical and Behavioral Center, where we believe in the words, medicine is a science, caring is an art. I have spent the last 30 years working to develop a center devoted to the human-animal bond that understands fully how a comfortable, caring atmosphere can really make a difference to a pet's wellness and healing. We want a visit to All Paws to be the best experience your pets have outside of your home. Come on in and I'll show you around our center. Upon entering All Paws, we want you and your pets to feel comfortable immediately. Please help yourself to a soft drink and give your pets a treat. Look around and you'll see that you're surrounded on every wall by photos of our patients. Your pets are as important to us as they are to you. My dedicated staff is ready to serve you. Their love of pets is profound. Uppermost in their mind is how can we make you and your pets feel comfortable, and how can we help you? Your wait won't be long. We will show you into our exam room very quickly, or if your pet is very ill and needs more extensive care, a highly trained veterinary assistant will bring you into our treatment room. My exam of your pet starts as soon as it walks into my exam room, or it stands on the exam table. I examine your entire pet. Dental health is so important, so I first start with a check of the teeth and the gums. I look at the nose for discharge. I check the eyes inside and out with my ophthalmoscope, looking for either discharge, sometimes there's eyelid tumors, and sometimes, sadly, there's cataracts and other things that we need to address. I then look at the ears using my otoscope, looking for things like infections. Sometimes there's even ear mites that we need to take care of, or inflammation. Of course, I listen to your pet's heart and lungs. That's a big part of the exam. And then I look at your pet's skin. We can find many things on the skin. Sometimes we'll find infection, sometimes inflammation, sometimes there's even mites in the skin, or fleas or ticks, things that you need to know in order to keep your pet healthy. Then I'll go on to feel the tummy, to palpate the organs, and also check the lymph nodes to make sure all is well. There's a lot to check for, but a good physical exam is the key to your pet's wellness, and I want to be thorough and answer every single one of your questions. I take it very seriously when you bring your beloved pet in for surgery. Even when I've performed a surgery hundreds of times before, I want to do my very best job every single time because you and your pet is counting on me. There are many parts to a surgery. Of course, we use the safest anesthesia there is. We use reversible anesthesia for quick procedures. For everything else, we use a combination of injectable and gas anesthesia using an endotracheal tube. This is a very safe way to give gas anesthesia. We turn off the gas anesthesia and your animal wakes quickly and comfortably after surgery. For surgery, there are special instruments for each procedure. Instruments are autoclaved to be sure that they're sterile. And this line here indicates that everything inside has been properly autoclaved. We prep the animals carefully, clipping the hair and scrubbing gently so there's no itching later. Even with routine surgery, I need to know that your pet's anatomy so that I can be prepared for everything. We monitor your pets with an ECG and a blood pressure machine throughout surgery, and a trained veterinary assistant checks your pet's vital signs every step of the way. When we're finished, closure needs to be comfortable so your pet doesn't lick or chew, and safe so your pet can feel comfortable jumping and playing, because what pet wants to lay around when it feels good? Following surgery, your pet is monitored as it awakens, comfortably in a heated room. I usually choose to release our patients to their loving families the night after surgery because our anesthesia protocol is so safe, they are ready and very able to return home that night with careful instructions. I feel that the best place for your pet to be is with the family they love so much. We're now in our treatment room where we do many procedures for your pets. Gently and carefully, we sometimes need to draw blood from your pets for many reasons. Blood work helps us to identify so many problems, and learn so much information that we can use to help your pets. We often do blood work when we're preparing a pet for surgery to make sure that they're in good health. If we find that there's a problem, this allows us to go ahead and treat that condition before anesthesia is given. Also, we do blood work often for geriatric patients to help them live longer and healthier lives. And we use blood work to diagnose and treat for so many conditions. You'd be surprised, in the arms of my staff, who are so caring, the pets do wonderful when we draw blood. Doesn't hurt them a bit, and it helps us to get so much information where we can help them. Taking x-rays of your pets gives us a different view inside of your pets and really helps us when we make a diagnosis. Positioning is all important, and we really approach this job carefully to keep your pets calm and comfortable while we're able to get the best views possible and really make the best diagnosis to help your pets. As with everything, when you board your pets with us, care and comfort is our specialty. My staff works hard to treat your pets like one of their own. The kennels are padded with warm blankets to keep the animals comfortable. We use elevated dishes for the comfort of large dogs when they're eating and drinking. We have hiding spots for kitties so that they feel comfortable here, and we play soothing music in the background for everyone. We take the pets on walks every single day, many times a day, and we have play sessions for the dogs and the cats. Lots of bonding time goes on throughout the day. We feel like your pets are part of our family, and we want to treat them like they are too. I am very proud of the behavioral work that we do here. This is an area of veterinary medicine too often overlooked, and sadly, too many pets are euthanized each year due to misbehaviors and miscommunications. I work closely with you and your pets to help you understand where your pet's misbehavior or anxiety comes from and work with you to deal with it in the most positive way. In a sense, you learn to speak your pet's language. Our work goes beyond simple obedience work, although I teach that too. Whether you have a puppy that's needing some potty training tips, or a dog with separation anxiety, or even a cat that has some chewing issues, we can make a difference for your pet's sake. Well, that about covers our tour of All Paws Medical and Behavioral Center. I take my role as your veterinarian very seriously, and thank you for the trust you place in me. Caring for your pets is the most important thing we do.